Good morning, this is National Weather Service meteorologist Matt Ludwig with your Great Falls weekly weather briefing for the week of May 5th through the 11th, 2022. Let's get started. After a warm and calm middle part of this week, the weather will become quite unsettled as we head into the weekend. Multiple weather systems will move through the area, bringing rain and mainly mountain snow to the area. While most of this precipitation will be beneficial and will pose minimal risk of hazards to the area, there could be a chance that a more impactful weather system could affect the area on Monday. In addition, some breezy conditions are expected on Friday as cooler air begins to push into the area. Our upcoming unsettled weather pattern will be brought to us by way of a persistent upper-level trough, which will have some weak disturbances embedded within it that will move across the Pacific Northwest on their way to the area. With this setup, getting exact details will be relatively difficult, but we do have a fairly good big picture understanding of what will occur over the next few days. The wettest period of the weekend looks to be on Saturday as our system moves through Idaho and into Wyoming. While most of the precipitation will be focused on southwestern Montana, as seen here, the entire area will see at least some chance of seeing a quarter inch or more of precipitation. In addition, some snow will also fall with the system, though it should mainly be confined to the mountains and should not cause any significant impacts. As we get into early next week, the forecast becomes quite uncertain. While we do know that a weather system will likely move through the northern high plains Monday and Tuesday, there remains quite a bit of uncertainty as to its exact track. Should this system take a track further west than shown here, it would likely result in a relatively large portion of the area seeing another round of precipitation. As of this morning, the most likely areas to see over a half-inch precipitation out of this early week system will be south and east of the area. However, keep in mind that this system may still shift to the west, which could result in more rainfall falling across the area, particularly along the north slopes of the Little Belt and Snowy Mountains. There will also be a chance for snow at this system, even at the lower elevations. Even beyond this early week system, the upper-level trough responsible for our unsettled weather will linger, which will keep us cool and unsettled through the middle of the week. We will continue to have chances for precipitation, though they do not look to be overly impactful at this time. In fact, this weather pattern will likely hang around into the middle of the month, as the Climate Prediction Center favors us to remain on the cooler and wetter side of average for the Week 2 outlook. That is all for this week's weather briefing. For continued up-to-date information on the weather, please monitor our social media pages or visit our website. Have a great rest of your week and enjoy your weekend.